Welcome to today's Xmas crafting. In this video, we will turn old recycle things and everyday items into beautiful Xmas decoration. I will try to show you some amazing simple things and turning after beautiful things from old boxes, bottles, or fabrics to leftover ribbons and stickers. Everything can find a new life this festive season. So grab your materials and let's begin this creative eco-friendly Xmas journey together. Before starting, take a look around your home. You will be surprised how many useful things are wanting to be transformed. Old cardboard, newspaper, glass jar, ribbon, or nail sticker can all becomes part of your holiday decor. Recycling not only saves money, it helps reduce waste and brings a sense of satisfaction and mindfulness to your crafting. Let's start with a simple idea, making a Xmas wreath base using old cardboard. Cut a circular ring. Wrap it with leftover fabric or jute rope and decorate it with pine cones, nail sticker, or shiny paper cutouts. This eco-friendly wreath will look beautiful on your door or wall. You can also spray lights, glitter, or white paint for a snowy touch. Next, let's bring life to empty glass bottle, or jars. Paint them with festive red, gold, or green. Use old lace, stickers, and twine to decorate. Add small fairy lights inside for a warm, cozy glow. This makes wonderful centerpieces or gifts that spread spring's cheers. Xmas cheers. Don't throw away your old clothes. Transform them into Xmas magic. Cut pieces of old denim, cotton, or printed cloth into stars, trees, or heart. Sew or glue them and fill them lightly with cotton. Now you have handmade fabric ornaments to hang on your tree or decorate your fireplace. You can even do nail sticker or beads for a festive sparkle. Old newspaper and magazine can turn into beautiful paper stars or snowflakes. Cut and fold them into creative shapes. Paint with white or gold and hang them with thread. If you have also pine cone, clean and decorate them with white paint or glitter. They make perfect natural ornaments or table decor. Natural and recycling come together beautifully this Xmas. Now combine everything, the wreath, bottles, fabric ornaments, and pinecone pieces to create your own Xmas corner. Add lights, candle, add a soft wreath, tune. Your recycled craft will bring warmth, charm, and a personal touch to your home. So this Xmas, craft with love, care, and creativity. Remember, every small recycle items can become something beautiful when made with heart. Many more designs are here, like jute rope. You can recycle with jute rope. You can add glitter. You can add mason jars and more things like popstick, green grass, pine cones, cinnamon, and more of the things. If you enjoyed these videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful and amazing ideas and designs. Thank you, be a part of this journey. We will try to bring amazing and beautiful designs for you. In this video, we have shared some beautiful designs with pine cones, amazing ideas and creative collection, DIY holiday crafting ideas. Happy festival and happy crafting. May you have many more in your life. We try to bring amazing and unique ideas. So this Xmas, craft with love, care, and creativity. Remember, every small recycle items can become something beautiful when made with heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now take a moment to look Add your creations, your handmade wreaths, glowing jars, or cozy little ornaments.